Welcome to the final lesson of our course. We've come a long way, covering everything from basic cybersecurity practices to defending against ransomware and phishing, and even exploring the human element of cyber attacks. In the last lesson, we introduced the powerful role artificial intelligence, AI, plays in threat detection and prevention. Now, we'll close out this course by diving into how AI helps with incident response and fraud detection. Cyber attacks are inevitable. It's not a matter of if, but when an attack will happen. That's why organizations need to be prepared to respond to incidents quickly and mitigate the damage. AI is proving to be a game changer in this area by helping security teams detect attacks faster, prioritize responses, and even automate some aspects of the recovery process. And when it comes to fraud detection, AI is helping businesses prevent financial crimes by identifying suspicious patterns that human analysts might miss. Let's explore how AI is transforming both cybersecurity incident response and fraud detection, and why these advancements are so critical in the fight against cybercrime. AI in cybersecurity incident response. Let's start with incident response. When a cyber attack happens, time is of the essence. The faster you detect and respond to an attack, the less damage it can cause. Traditional incident response workflows often involve security teams manually investigating alerts, gathering data, and figuring out the best course of action, a process that can take hours or even days. AI is changing this by automating and accelerating many aspects of incident response, helping security teams respond more effectively. 1. Accelerating threat detection and investigation. The first benefit of AI in incident response is its ability to detect threats and anomalies in real time. We touched on this in the previous lesson, but let's break it down a bit more in the context of incident response. When a suspicious event occurs, say, a malware infection or a potential data breach, AI can immediately begin analyzing the data, identifying the root cause, and prioritizing the severity of the threat. This allows security teams to focus their attention on the most critical incidents instead of getting bogged down in minor alerts. Here's an example. Imagine a corporate network with thousands of connected devices. If one device suddenly starts behaving abnormally, like trying to exfiltrate large amounts of data to an unknown server, AI can flag that device, investigate the behavior, and automatically escalate the incident to the security team, all within seconds. AI doesn't just sound the alarm, it contextualizes the alert, providing information on how the attack is unfolding and which systems are affected. This allows security teams to respond much faster and with more precision. 2. Automated incident containment. In traditional incident response, once an attack is detected, security teams often need to step in manually to contain the incident. This might involve isolating infected devices, blocking malicious IP addresses, or shutting down certain parts of the network. But manual response can take time that attackers can use to spread further across the network. AI can take the immediate containment of threats to the next level. In many AI-driven systems, when a suspicious activity is detected, the system can automatically quarantine the compromised device or account to prevent further damage. For example, if AI detects ransomware on a workstation, it can isolate that machine from the network, stopping the ransomware from spreading. This kind of automated containment is crucial in today's fast-moving cyber landscape, where even a few minutes of delay can result in significant damage. And the best part? AI can make these decisions based on predefined rules and machine learning models without needing human intervention. 3. Reducing mean time to respond, MTTR. In cybersecurity, one of the key performance indicators is mean time to respond, MTTR, the average time it takes to respond to and mitigate an incident. The faster an organization can respond, the lower the chances of widespread damage. AI helps drastically reduce MTTR by automating key aspects of the response process, such as identifying compromised systems, containing the threat, suggesting remediation steps. In some cases, AI can even automate the remediation itself, like rolling back unauthorized changes or restoring compromised files from backups. By minimizing the time between detection and response, AI helps limit the potential damage caused by an attack, reducing downtime and preventing the spread of malware or data theft across the network. 4. Post-incident analysis and learning. Once the immediate threat is dealt with, the next step is conducting a post-incident analysis. Traditionally, this involves going through system logs, reviewing the attack timeline, and figuring out how the breach occurred. This is important not only for learning from the incident, but also for improving defenses to prevent future attacks. AI can assist in this process by quickly analyzing the data, identifying patterns, and learning from the attack. AI-driven systems can improve their models based on previous incidents, making them better equipped to handle similar attacks in the future. This helps organizations continuously strengthen their defenses by adapting to evolving threats, an essential capability given how quickly cyber attacks evolve. Next, let's talk about fraud detection. Fraud, particularly in the financial sector, is a major concern for businesses and consumers alike. Whether it's identity theft, credit card fraud, or fraudulent transactions, the ability to detect and prevent fraud in real time is crucial. AI is revolutionizing fraud detection by analyzing massive amounts of data and identifying suspicious patterns far more effectively than traditional methods. Here's how AI is making an impact. 1. Real-time transaction monitoring. One of the biggest challenges in fraud detection is monitoring millions of transactions in real time. Banks and financial institutions need to flag suspicious activities, such as large, unusual transactions or multiple payments from different locations. Manually reviewing each transaction would be impossible, but this is where AI steps in. AI systems can analyze transactions in real time, comparing each one against historical data to spot unusual patterns. For example, if a credit card is suddenly being used in 2 different countries within a short time frame, AI can flag that as suspicious and either alert the customer or automatically freeze the account until the activity can be verified. This kind of real-time fraud detection not only prevents financial losses, but also helps protect customers from the frustration of dealing with fraudulent charges. 2. Behavioral analysis for fraud detection. In addition to analyzing transactions, AI can also track user behavior to detect fraud. For example, AI can learn your typical login patterns, the types of devices you use, and even how fast you type. If an attacker tries to access your account, even if they have your password, AI may notice subtle differences in behavior, like logging in from an unfamiliar device or taking actions that don't align with your normal patterns. This type of behavioral analysis is particularly useful for detecting account takeovers, where an attacker gains access to a legitimate user's account. Because AI learns what normal behavior looks like for each individual user, it can flag deviations that human analysts might overlook. 3. Predictive analytics for proactive fraud prevention. Another advantage of AI in fraud detection is its ability to predict future fraud attempts. By analyzing past data, AI can identify which types of transactions, account behaviors, or customer interactions are most likely to result in fraud. This allows financial institutions to proactively monitor high-risk activities and implement additional security measures where necessary. For example, AI might notice that customers who make frequent purchases from specific online retailers are more likely to experience fraud. Armed with this information, a bank can take preventive action, such as implementing additional authentication measures or monitoring those transactions more closely. 4. Reducing false positives. One of the challenges in fraud detection is the issue of false positives when legitimate transactions are incorrectly flagged as fraudulent. This can frustrate customers and cause unnecessary delays in processing payments. AI helps reduce false positives by using machine learning to fine-tune detection algorithms. By continuously learning from both fraudulent and legitimate transactions, AI can more accurately distinguish between true fraud and normal behavior, reducing the number of times legitimate transactions are flagged. This leads to better customer experiences while still maintaining a high level of security. AI has already proven to be a powerful tool in both incident response and fraud detection, helping organizations respond to cyber attacks faster, prevent financial fraud, and improve their overall security posture. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced systems that can predict attacks, automate responses, and adapt in real time to the ever changing threat landscape. However, it's important to remember that while AI is a powerful ally, it's not a silver bullet. Human oversight and expertise are still essential to ensure AI systems are working as intended and to step in when decisions require a human touch. This course has provided you with a foundational understanding of cybersecurity concepts, from recognizing common threats like phishing and ransomware to exploring the powerful role AI plays in defending against modern attacks. But cybersecurity is much more than just a topic. It's an ever-growing, high-demand field filled with opportunities to make a real difference. If this course has sparked your interest, that's fantastic. Cybersecurity professionals are not only essential to protecting organizations and individuals in the digital age, but they also play a critical role in shaping the future of secure technologies, from AI-driven systems to blockchain and beyond. If you've enjoyed learning about the key principles covered in this introductory course, there are endless paths you can take to deepen your knowledge. Cybersecurity is a field that welcomes curiosity, problem solving, and continuous learning. Whether you're interested in becoming a threat analyst, ethical hacker, or AI-driven security specialist, the possibilities are vast and exciting. We know that cybersecurity can seem complex, but that's part of what makes it so rewarding. Every new skill you learn not only helps protect data and systems, but also contributes to global efforts in keeping the digital world safe. To continue your journey, we invite you to explore our comprehensive training library, where you'll find in-depth courses covering a wide range of specialized topics, such as ethical hacking and penetration testing. Develop the skills to think like a hacker and protect systems by uncovering vulnerabilities before they're exploited. Digital forensics and incident response. Master the tools and techniques used to investigate cybercrime and secure evidence for legal cases. Network security and zero trust architectures. Understand how to design and implement secure networks that can defend against internal and external threats. Whether you're aiming to build a career as a cybersecurity professional or simply want to stay one step ahead of emerging threats, our courses are designed to equip you with the knowledge and practical skills you'll need. Cybersecurity isn't just about protecting systems, it's about protecting the future, and we're here to help you on that journey. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of cybersecurity. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep protecting your digital world. Until next time.